Buying a business management solution. With numerous business management and ERP solutions available on the market, selecting the right one for your company can seem like a daunting task, but it does not have to be. Through a series of easy-to-navigate steps, the Empower process provides the necessary guidance to move your business from envisioning to realizing results with a solution that fits your needs. Step 1. Envisioning digital transformation. Define and prioritize your digitalization strategy, identifying the problems you wish to address and what business outcomes you hope to achieve. Spend some time considering the impact a new cloud ERP could have on your business. Step 2. Managing change. Once you have your strategy outlined, it is critical to assign an executive sponsor and clearly articulate roles and responsibilities for the project. Ensure each team member knows their role, understands the strategy, and knows how to initiate a change in the process. Step 3. Partner selection. Start shortlisting and comparing vendors at the beginning of your buying process. The right partner will help you maximize your digitally transformed processes and ensure continued future growth as your technology and your organization evolve. Step 4. Outcome mapping. Modern ERP provides an array of capabilities across many lines of business and functions. Identifying the business and process outcomes that will define success will help you map to the critical capabilities that are essential in supporting your desired results. Step 5. Writing a business case. Leverage the work completed in the previous steps to build a compelling case for change, considering the business and technological impact, quantifying the return on investment, ROI, and financial benefits, and establishing a timeline and plan for implementation. Step 6. Embracing digitalization. Accelerating organizational agility requires attention across 5 dimensions: strategy, structure, process, people, and technology. Help your organization see the value in your business transformation by creating immersive experiences across all 5 dimensions. Step 7. Realizing results. Modern business management systems provide an array of capabilities across many lines of business and functions. Identifying the business and process outcomes that will define success will help you map to the critical capabilities that are essential in supporting your desired results. And there you have it. The Empower process has guided our protagonist from envisioning to realizing results, making the journey of buying a business management solution a seamless and successful one.